In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom using keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to enhance your viewing experience by adjusting the zoom level, you've come to the right place. We'll go through a few simple keyboard shortcuts that make it easy and convenient to zoom in, zoom out, or reset to the default view. Whether you're in a meeting or simply browsing through content in Teams, these shortcuts can really enhance your workspace efficiency. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Once you're there, it's important to ensure that you're in a window or section of Teams where changing the zoom would be beneficial, like a chat or a meeting. Now, let's dive into the shortcuts. To zoom in, press the Ctrl key on your keyboard, and while holding it down, press the plus key. This will allow you to magnify your view, making everything on the screen larger. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to read small text or if you just want to get a closer look at what's on the screen. Keep in mind that each time you press the plus key while holding down Ctrl, the zoom will increase incrementally. So feel free to adjust it to a level that suits your needs. On the flip side, if you find that everything on the screen appears too large and you'd like to zoom out, simply press the Ctrl key and then the minus key. Like the zoom in function, each press will gradually decrease the zoom level. This is perfect for when you need a broader view of the content, or if you're working with multiple items on your screen and need to see more at once. Finally, if you've customized your zoom level but want to return everything to the standard view, you can reset the zoom to default. Press the Ctrl key and then 0 on your keyboard. This will bring the zoom level back to the baseline view, which is the standard size that most users find comfortable for general use. These keyboard shortcuts are a simple yet powerful tool to tailor your Microsoft Teams experience, making it more comfortable and efficient. They allow you to navigate and view content in a way that best fits your needs, without the need to constantly adjust settings through menus. Mastering these shortcuts can save you time and keep your sessions flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy zooming!